everyone, welcome back. My people, wonder they say it shall never end. When you thought that you have seen it all in Nigeria, my people, look at what is happening today in Rivers State. Like every day by day, something funny must happen in Nigeria. When you even promise yourself that nothing will shock you again in Nigeria. But my people, this particular one really shocked me, honestly. The first time I saw this, I cleaned my eyes to make sure that what I am seeing is real. Rivers State women protest in support of Rivers emergency rule. Even they are begging Tinubu not to bring darkness again back to Rivers State. They are talking about Fubara. So Wike and Tinubu are working so hard to make sure that Fubara will never come back again as governor of Rivers State. And men looking at it, my people, they are going to achieve it because these people are capable of doing everything. Yes. And there was no army or police disrupting the protest or tear gassing the protesters. My people, look at crowd. This is the reason why you don't need to buy yourself in this Nigeria matter. Because people you are fighting for, these people are not even ready to liberate themselves, honestly. So now, Rivers State people are reacting concerning this event today, this counter-protest, saying that Wike is pushing money to make sure that Fubara will never come back again. That Wike bought all these women over in order for them to protest today. What a country. Let me allow you guys to listen to what Rivers State people are saying, how they expose Wike concerning this counter-protest today, and as well as hear for yourself what these women are saying.
When person, poverty and hardship, they make man or woman do what they don't want to. See counter-protest. And they cry out, say people want to push out money, say people want to push out money, now we can push out money. Now what money they use give them when we are white, women, men, see them with white. See the crowd. Because they don't carry money, give them. They don't push out money. In politics, nothing like that. Politics don't get to jail. If you want to jail, to go your house. I greet people of Nigeria, Niger Delta, Rivers State. All over the world, I greet honor. I hope that they see what they happen for Rivers State. When I be talking every time, while we they shot last year about the excellency sin for Fubara. Wake up, and be like saying, and they talk too much. But I say, I say Wike sabi this game. After seeing Fubara people protest finish, women where we are white, see them. See women where we are white. When I see them, you see the protest because they don't carry money, give them. They don't push out money. That's why they tell Fubara, see, push out money. What do they say this money? Push out money. This money will be your own. This money is for all of us. Use this money, make your way out, walk your way out, fight your way out. Push out money, and they cry, they tell see, what I push out money. Now see them. You see all of them, white. No be money they push for them. No ordinary. You know see white people will buy what, but you know how much will go there. Wike sabi push out money. See the whole judges, magistrates, now they hold up. And Wike sabi push money. In the pity for money. I don't know why my own brother, my organ, my friend, see, why to this accountant, and the first people will read accountant, or I don't sabi push money. Now you don't do to the extent this caretaker acting governor now, money where the government had to go see that one will get account. Billion upon billion where they inside government had nobody know how much we get. Now you don't turn to their own because they save money. General Sabuja, I send it to save money. See, what they ask, what I send it to save money. Use this money, make way for yourself and for us. Use this money, make way for Rivers people. If they save money for government hands, now they never carry them. Now, what money they use give them when we are white, women, men, see them with white. See the crowd. See the population. See, Fubara, this is the investment. See the counter-protest. Now, see them. Say they like, they look at say they like state of emergency. No be money they talk. As I dey here, see Fubara, I dey where you dey. But I dey invest the way they hold the money. The way you don't want to push out money, now I make an invest for you. Chief of Staff, ADC, and I dey see what they happen. My own friend and my own brother ADC. Or now they see what in the happen. No be say I dey vex for say this or that. It's now all this in the make me vex. Now I see how we can push up money. They push up. See counter protest. Then buy white for them. Give them money to buy white. Put pocket money for them. I don't get all the information. My boys where they gear, where they inside here. My boys where they all of them give me information. How much they give all of them. Give women, how much they pay them. They don't send for the money, push out the money. Now I come be like say, now Wike they win. No! These people they protest now, even rule of law they don't send. See the man where they say just stay here for 6 months. The acting governor where they say 6 months. They don't appoint waiting. They don't appoint caretakers for all local government, all council. They don't put caretaker. Waiting be all the same. Now what we will see for this country, Rivers State wake up. Indigenous, non-indigenous, wake up. Nigeria, wake up. Nigeria, wake up. The masses, wake up. None this thing at the top where they declare me wanted. None this thing at the top where they say arrest them, kill and catch and set them up. Because now they are duty. They sabi set me up. They don't like truth. They sabi frame me up, lie, make the world hear them. You see money, we don't go for these masses now. Counter protest, see them. Then they hungry, when person, poverty and hardship, they make man or woman do what they don't want to. All these our guests where they sleep men, where they do a shower hustling, where they do hook up. No be poverty cause them. Now poverty and hardship. I ain't cause I'm going to go see the different men. Boys where they draw phone for road, where they collect phone, where they thief, where they do this, where they do that work. Now poverty cause them. Now hardship cause them. People where they press, where they do Yahoo, where they like that. Now poverty cause them and hardship. Push money for people. When you push money, they go see say they go down. So they go dance to your tune. And they cry here, see if you wanna push out money, see if you wanna push out money. Now we can push out money. See counter protest. Like say they support them. They don't support Wike. Now the money they talk. Now the money they talk. Wike sabi push money. See if you wanna see them. It be like that they guess. ADC, chief of staff, see what they happen. I love all of you. Now all this thing they make me cry. I love seeing Fubara. Now this thing they make me cry. The church people, you go church, you don't go church. Any papa, any bishop don't talk about anything. Wait till they know that you're pocket, all these church people. All these general overseer, papa, daddy, papa. Now their money they know. They don't feel talk anything. They know they are side see Fubara. Leave them and they make their money. Fight your way out. Well, God in the heaven will help us. Simple, but don't worry. God did. But don't be say God will come do election or fight for you. Fight your way out.
We are here today as Rivers women. We are here to thank Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that we are happy that he brought about the state of emergency. Apart from which we would have been in violence and in chaos. We want to thank the President for averting the impending danger that was looming on Rivers people. We want to thank the President for bringing us Ibas. We want to thank the President for saving our state from chaos. And we are advising, in fact, I represent women from Southeast Senatorial, where the suspended governor comes from. And I do know how much women put in to make him what he was as a governor. I also know that those working with him now did not vote for him at all. I know that as soon as he got to the seat, he just started looking for Rivers' enemies. I do know that those who are advising him are not his proper friends. I do know that those he doesn't want to work with are his real friends. And I'm advising on behalf of Southeast Senatorial women that you should go back to the drawing table.
Yes.
Go back and talk to your master. Go back and beg your master. Go back and come back to your family. Go back so that there will be peace in this state. We want to thank all Rivers women for their being peaceful, for keeping the families together, for preaching peace. We are here because there is no war. There is no peace, and there is no war. Since the Ibas came, we have had peace.
Thank you.
We want to encourage the Ibas that he should continue to do what he's doing. We like what he's doing. Women are supporting him.
By the government at the center, the federal government, to softly take over the government of Rivers State. Do you agree to that?
I do not agree.
Oh, well, go back home.
I do not agree because I've told you now, I've laid the foundation. Other women will speak, but I've laid the foundation to tell you that we have not had a government in Rivers State. What does that have to do with the federal government suddenly taking over Rivers State? What are they taking it over for? What does that have to do with it? We are spending money without appropriation. Is that proper? No. The House of Assembly was burned down and later demolished. Is that proper? No. Government has been running on two trunks. Is that proper? No.
So hold on, man. There's a sign behind you saying state of emergency is constitutional. Removal of elected officials, is that constitutional?
It does not matter.
Why does it matter?
See, where there is an issue, of course, doctrine of necessity will apply. And luckily, Section 305 allows for that. It allows the president to declare a state of emergency. I have told you that you see, yes, he didn't remove him, it was suspension.
Everybody, elected everybody.
Remember about both the House of Assembly and the executive are all on suspension.
Yes.
So,
Okay, what we are saying.
let's go inside. My name. Can we be quiet, please? Can we be quiet? My name is Inime Ifeyinwa Chinwenwo Aguma.
What are you representing now? And what capacity?
I am speaking under the auspices of Rivers Women for peace and good governance.
We are here, the crowd you are seeing are Rivers Women, peace-loving Rivers Women. We are here for peaceful movement. We are here to say thank you to Mr. President, to National Assembly for restoring peace in Rivers State through state of emergency. We are here to tell the world that Rivers State is peaceful since the emergence and assumption in the office by the sole administrator. Vice Admiral retired Ekwe Ibas. Since his emergence as the sole administrator of Rivers State, we have experienced peace. There is no more threat from the militants, no burning of public assets, no sentiment from the tribal sentiment, no tribal war anymore. We are here to say thank you to Mr. President for allowing democracy to be restored in Rivers State. We are here to say thank you to Mr. President for not allowing democracy to be raped by a man who stood on the affairs of the executive, who stood on the affairs of the judiciary, who stood on the affairs of legislature. We are here to say thank you to Mr. President and the National Assembly because Rivers State is peaceful. That the Rivers people and non-indigenous are going about their normal businesses. You can see the crowd. It's a testament that Rivers State is peaceful. Yes. We have gathered in our number. When you look at the crowd, you will see our attires. We appear on white. White means purity. Yes. White means peace. Yes. Rivers State is peaceful. Yes. There is no cause of alarm. Yes. So we are not ungrateful people. Yes. We are grateful people. The number you are seeing unanimously voted the suspended governor. If there is something, if something has gone wrong, there is necessity for Mr. President to do the needful. And the needful is allowing state of emergency to take place. We want to say, As a Rivers women, we are happy and we welcome the state of emergency. And unanimously we are saying, never again shall we be returned to the darkness by bringing back sin Fubara. Enough of darkness, enough of trouble, enough of sentimental war, and enough of whatever thing that will not bring peace in River State. We say enough, and there we stand. Thank you very much. I am Honorable Mrs. Uche Ken, former Vice Chairman of Eche Local Government. Thank you.
We are united people. Our elders, our chiefs, our youths, they are united. There is no problem in River State. Those that say there is problem, it is not. They are not from River State. A real River's daughter, we tell you there is peace in River State. And I am telling you, we are women of River State. They are not hired. Various women from River State. You come from Aguda, Omok, anywhere you come, Abodua, Rivers East, Rivers Southeast, Rivers West. We are all River State. No matter what the enemy have done, we are telling you that River State is us. And we are in charge of this state. And we are speaking the truth. We are for peace. We don't want problem. Let those they want. We are telling them to warn them. They shouldn't come in the state of River State again to cause problem. Telling us there is no peace in River State. The people that just protest some days ago, we don't want it. There is peace in River State. Thank you and God bless you.
So the state should go back since there is peace.
My dear, I will not be the one to decide. I'm here to create peace. Wherever peace goes, that is where we go. We stand for peace and peace alone. Thank you and God bless you.
Their protest is about the emergency rule, which indicates that there was no peace in the state.
There is peace in River State.
Are you saying peace is back and the sole administration should go back?
Let me tell you, I just answered it now. There is peace in River State. The way he came, we don't know. The people that brought him will decide when he will leave. We don't have the power. Let there be peace. If he will give us peace, let him continue to give us peace. Yes. Thank you and God bless you. I repeat once again, I'm Mrs. Miriam Obonna. Thank you.
Capacity are you speaking?
I'm speaking about, you know what we are here for. Thank you. As a woman of peace, no, as a woman of River State. That is where I stand for.
Chai, my people, it don't finally happen. Like nothing left again. It is finished. Like it is finished. People you are talking about or fighting for, these people are not ready to liberate themselves. It will surprise you that come 2027, this is exactly what you are going to see. You see these people coming out now to cry and complain about this Tinubu government. They are the ones that are going to vote Tinubu again, when they have given them 1,000 to 2,000 naira. So what are we even saying? Like, what are we even saying? This is really, really annoying, honestly.
Welcome to Chamress News.